Hello, welcome back. This is Lady B. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. Today I am making meat pie, so I'm going to start the filling. So here I will add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, and I will add in my onion. Just allow it to simmer 1 minute. So now I'm going to add in my meat. Here I have 1 gram of. So here I added my 1 gram of meat. So these are my mixed spices. I'll add them. I'll add in my carrots. I'll add in my potato. I'll mix together. Adding my salt. I'm going to cook this for like 3 minutes. This mush, I'll just add this mush and I'll hide it and allow it to cook for another 1 minute. So here is a mixture of flour and water just to act as thickener. So I'm going to load the gas and I will allow it to simmer just for 1 minute. Then our filling is ready. So here is it, our filling for our meat pie is ready. As you can see, my potato and my carrot is still crunchy. You know why? Because we are still going to cook it inside the oven. So I will transfer it to a bowl and allow it to rest.